National Hispanic Heritage Month is a nationwide celebration that begins on September 15th and is used to celebrate and commemorate Latino Americans, their culture, and their history. September 15th is significant because it coincides with National Independence Day for several Latin American countries, including Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. September 16th for Mexico, September 18th for Chile, and September 21st for Belize. This year, we will be exploring the lives and accomplishments of several wonderful Latino Americans that have made a lasting impact and change on the nation.
Roberto Clemente was an outstanding Puerto Rican right field baseball player for the Pirates. He was born in 1934 and passed away in 1972. Roberto climbed the ladder and worked diligently in the beginning of his baseball career, which led to playing 18 seasons of Major League Baseball in the U.S. He faced prejudice and difficulties with language barriers. However, through much perseverance, Roberto helped pave the way for freedom of culture within professional sports within the U.S. Clemente's career ended with recognition of being a two-time World Series champion, National League Most Valuable Player, and World Series MVP.
Inez Mejia was a Mexican-American botanist who was born in 1870 and passed away in 1938. She studied plants all over both North and South America. For the 13 years of her career, she collected over 145,000 specimens, which is a huge accomplishment in the field of botany. 500 of these were new species, which increased our understanding of many species of plants. She even had a species of plant named after her called the Mexianthus mexicanus, which is a flowering plant found in parts of Mexico.
Eleanor Choa is an American engineer, former astronaut, and former director of the Johnson Space Center. She was born in 1958 and still lives to tell her story at 64 years of age. Ochoa was the first Hispanic woman to travel to space when she served on a 9-day mission aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1993. She received the NASA Spaceflight Medal, NASA Agency Honors Awards, NASA Outstanding Leadership Medal, and Distinguished Service Medal.
Dolores Huerta is a Mexican-American labor leader and civil rights activist. She was born in 1930 and is 92 years old this year. She directed boycotts to protest the use of dangerous pesticides on grapes, which were unsafe for the workers who gathered them. This led to the California grape industry to adopt safer practices, which ultimately increased the quality of life for these workers. She also fought for the rights of immigrants, women, minority groups, youth, and the LGBTQ+ community.
Today we spoke about several Hispanic leaders who made a large impact on our nation. Inez Mejia discovered 500 new species of plants, which was a significant finding in the field of botany. Dolores Huerta was able to use her voice to encourage change in labor laws and civil rights. Clemente helped pave the way for freedom of culture in our professional athletic programs, and Ochoa was an incredible engineer who had many accomplishments, including her exploration of space. It is important to look to these leaders and others like them and celebrate their accomplishments and contributions. Happy National Hispanic Heritage Month!